Today I'm going to narrate a short story on the topic Gold Medal. Long ago, in a big forest, there was a very proud tiger called Topche and a very greedy monkey called Dodo. As they planned to race each other, they heard an unfamiliar voice from somewhere. Two of them looked up and down, here and there, to see an ant named Pau. Pau insisted on joining the race, even though he wouldn't win. He would uphold his family name for future generations. As the three of them started the race, Pau tried to run really hard. Instead of racing, Topche and Dodo made fun of Pau. After some time, Topche and Dodo ignored Pau and ran thinking of their victory. Topche the tiger ran on the path, and Monkey Dodo started swinging on the branches. Filling the air with dust, they vanished. In the middle of the race, Topche met with a leopard, and he decided to race with her. Because he was so proud, he left his other race and started a new race. Dodo Monkey came across a wonderful banana grove. There he had his food, then even took extra bananas for the road, and he got stuck for a while. And sometimes the wind took him away and sometimes he fell down. But to complete the race, he really pushed himself. Topche won his race against the leopard and continued the other race, and Dodo and Pau continued steadily trying his best. Then Topche met a fox and started the race. Dodo came across many mango trees. He was so excited he forgot everything else. Even though Paul reached a place where he could not see his opponent, he prayed and stayed focused. The wind was blowing so strongly. He was about to be blown away by the wind. Paul held on to a dandelion seed. As the wind was so strong, Paul was taken away with the seed into the sky. As the seed carried him, the breeze took his tiredness. And so, Paul held tightly. He prayed to complete the race. He saw that the dandelion seed flew towards the finish line. As Topche and Dodo were racing on the path, they noticed dandelion seed all over the sky. Then Paul, holding the dandelion seed, landed on the finish line. When Topche and Dodo reached the finish line, they were surprised to see Paul had reached first. In disbelief, they thought, how could he have reached before us? Then they heard the voice of a languid planet. Tiger, even though you are fast because of your extreme fright, and Dodo, even if you can jump high, you are very greedy. Both of you could not win. And because Paul prayed and stayed focused, and he tried very hard, he has won. If you like this story, please like, share and subscribe. Until then, thanks for being with me. Thank you.